Before Jerusalem, before the cross, before the empty tomb, there was Shechem, a city carved between mountains, a place of covenant, a land where Abraham first heard the promise, where Joshua called a nation to choose, where history and prophecy collided. But what if Shechem holds more than memories? What if hidden within the Hebrew letters, etched into ancient valleys, embedded in the very first verse of Genesis, lies a supernatural signature pointing to Golgotha? Unearthing the mysteries of ancient Shechem is a spiritual excavation unlike any other. From acrostics that conceal the name of Yahweh, to Paleo-Hebrew symbols that form the image of the cross, to Shechem's terrain that literally depicts the glory of Golgotha, now uncovered for the world to see. This is a journey into mysteries long buried in plain sight. Written by Messianic Rabbi Zev Porat, raised in the heart of Orthodox Judaism and transformed by a life-altering encounter with Yeshua, this work invites readers into discoveries that bridge scripture, archaeology, prophecy, and the end of days. The hidden things revealed, the ancient stones speaking, and a message that echoes from the beginning of time to the end of days. Once you step into Shechem's secret, everything changes.
Many refuse to even consider the truths of the Bible because of the claim that the Bible was not inspired by God. How would you respond? Deep inside, are you plagued with the same doubt? Did the God of the universe truly inspire men to write the exact words recorded in Scripture? If so, did he leave his signature in the text? What would that look like? It would have to be something so incredibly complex, it would defy probability and chance. Golgotha, the place of the skull, depicts one of the most iconic images known to humanity. 3 crosses on a hill. Spiked to the middle cross was Yeshua, Jesus, the divine offer of heaven's salvation. After years of meticulously poring over the Hebrew and Greek scriptures, Amazon top 60 best-selling author Carl Gallups is leading readers on a unique pilgrimage to Golgotha, tracking a supernatural and almost DNA-like encoding of that quintessential image throughout the Bible. Astonishingly, likenesses of Golgotha are visible from the beginning words of Genesis to some of the last words of Revelation, and in just the right places. See for yourself why the Bible, unlike any other book in history, contains tangible evidence of its own multidimensional inspiration.